Section 1. Farewell to Glamour, Roppongi's Changing Tides. Why are rich people leaving Roppongi? This question has been echoing through the streets of Tokyo's iconic district. For years, Roppongi was synonymous with luxury. It was a place where the elite gathered, dined, and enjoyed the city's vibrant nightlife. Today, however, a different narrative is unfolding. Wealthy residents and businesses are moving out, leaving many to wonder about the future of this once thriving neighborhood. The shift in Roppongi's demographic is undeniable. Luxury apartments are experiencing higher vacancy rates. High-end boutiques are seeing fewer customers. The buzz and energy that once defined Roppongi seem to be fading. This exodus of the affluent is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. Understanding these factors is key to understanding the future of Roppongi. Section 2. Roppongi, a playground for the rich and famous. Roppongi has long been associated with luxury and exclusivity. The neighborhood is home to some of Tokyo's most expensive real estate, upscale restaurants, and exclusive nightclubs. For decades, it was the place to see and be seen. Its central location, vibrant nightlife, and international atmosphere attracted affluent residents and businesses alike. The neighborhood was a magnet for the wealthy, both Japanese and international. Luxury cars cruised the streets. Designer boutiques showcased the latest fashions. High-end restaurants offered a taste of global cuisine. Roppongi was a symbol of Tokyo's economic power and cosmopolitan flair. It was a place where the elite could enjoy the best that the city had to offer. Section 3. The Exodus, where are they going? So where are the wealthy residents of Roppongi going? Many are choosing to relocate to other parts of Tokyo, areas that offer a more tranquil and spacious lifestyle. Neighborhoods like Hiru, Azabu, and Daikanyama are attracting affluent families seeking a quieter, more residential environment. These areas offer larger homes, green spaces, and a strong sense of community. The shift in preferences is evident. Many affluent residents are prioritizing space, privacy, and a sense of community over the hustle and bustle of Roppongi. They are seeking a more balanced lifestyle, one that combines the convenience of city living with the tranquility of a residential neighborhood. This trend is not unique to Tokyo. It reflects a global shift in how the wealthy define luxury and quality of life. Section 4. The Price of Paradise. Unpacking the reasons. The exodus from Roppongi is driven by a confluence of factors. One major reason is the rising cost of living. Tokyo is one of the most expensive cities in the world, and Roppongi is at the heart of that expense. Rent for luxury apartments continues to climb, making it increasingly difficult for even the wealthy to justify the cost. Another factor is safety concerns. While Tokyo is generally a safe city, Roppongi's nightlife has attracted its share of crime. Incidents of theft, assault, and drug use have raised concerns about personal safety, particularly among families with young children. The perception of Roppongi as a high-crime area, even if statistically inaccurate, has contributed to the exodus. Section 5. The Pandemic Effect, a catalyst for change. The COVID-19 pandemic significantly impacted urban living, accelerating the trends already underway in Roppongi. Lockdowns and social distancing measures made the densely populated, entertainment-focused neighborhood less appealing. With nightlife shut down and restaurants operating under restrictions, the allure of Roppongi diminished. The pandemic forced many to reconsider their priorities. Space, privacy, and access to nature became more valuable than ever. As remote work became the norm, the need to live in the heart of the city lessened. The pandemic acted as a catalyst, pushing those who were already considering leaving Roppongi to make the move. Section 6. Roppongi's Future, a neighborhood in transition. What does this exodus mean for the future of Roppongi? The neighborhood is undergoing a significant transition. While it may no longer be the exclusive playground of the rich and famous, it is evolving into a more diverse and dynamic area. New businesses are emerging, catering to a wider range of incomes and interests. The future of Roppongi lies in its ability to adapt and reinvent itself. It can leverage its central location, excellent transportation links, and existing infrastructure to attract a new generation of residents and businesses. The key is to create a more balanced and inclusive environment, one that appeals to a wider range of demographics. Section 7. What do you think? The changes happening in Roppongi reflect broader trends in urban development and social change. The definition of luxury is evolving, and cities must adapt to meet the changing needs and desires of their residents. What are your thoughts on the future of Roppongi? Do you think it can regain its former glory, or is it destined for a different path? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring urban trends.